Hey, Reddy. It has been an incredible semester. First, I want to thank you for all your hard work in this class. I know it has been really challenging. You've just made it through this semester of college in a pandemic, learning online, so much to deal with, and you have been amazing. So I hope you take a minute to just think about what you accomplished this semester, and I hope you feel proud, and I hope you accomplished the goals that you set out for, and maybe you made it all the way there, and that's fantastic, and that's great. Or maybe you wish you had done a little better, and that's good too, because that can help you learn more and keep going strong next semester. So thank you all for your hard work this semester. It's been incredible. I have learned so much from you and from your ideas, and I hope you have learned a lot too. So this is our last video of the semester. This is all we have left, is finishing up the final project and any essay rewrites that you need to do. Please make sure you're registered for spring. If you're not sure what to register for, check in with me. I'll have an open office hour on Tuesday from 5 to 6 to answer any questions that you have about the final project or anything else. Or you can always email me or text me. And then last thing, I'm going to send you an email with a course evaluation so you can please evaluate the course. Here's Joy. You guys know Joy. Here's my puppy dog. Wait, come here, Joy. She's going to miss you too. Yeah, and so it wouldn't be a video for you. Like, wouldn't be class without my dog. Yeah. So have a wonderful holiday, guys. And I'm always here if you need me. Please feel free to text me, email me anytime, anything you need. I'm not going away just because class is over. And thank you, guys. Bye.